everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you trending Pinterest pins recreated with our premium silk wedding flowers for red. It has been a while since we've done a how-to, so we're excited to come back on YouTube, on our channel, with a new collection that dropped last week. The Kate collection. She is so cute, so colorful. Our customers are really loving her. And we're excited to do this how-to. So this past week, we got requests on how to do this Lush overflowing tablescape from our photo shoot, and we're going to show you that today.
Yes.
And like, it literally took us 2 minutes.
So quick that we decided to do two more.
Yeah, surprise
tablescapes that you'll only be able to see here.
Yeah. We really wanted to show you the difference between our runner and garland, specifically on a table, because there is a big difference in like width and like lushness that you get with each product. But yeah, tell them what you need.
So for the first tablescape that we did for our photo shoot, the runner into the meadow with the garland. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
The first tablescape that we did from our photo shoot with the runner into the meadow, that was one runner, 2 of our Kate Garland, and 1 meadow. No tools.
Like,
none.
So easy.
Like,
place and go.
Yeah. For the second tablescape look, we used 1 of our floral runners with 2 sets of our classic gold candlesticks, and that totaled to 6 candles because each set has 3. And then for the third, we used 1 of our Kate Garland with 6 of our candles, which is 2 sets.
Yes, super easy.
Yeah, no tools, no anything, just product.
And very impactful. I think, like, either I love the runner or the garland. I don't think there's one that's better than the other. They give you different looks, but the same feel. It's like fun and cute and charming. So we hope you love this how-to.
Okay.
All right, now let's get into it.
We are gonna start with the floral runner. This is our new Kate floral runner. The back is fully foam, and we're just gonna lay it in the center of the table. Next, we're gonna take
2 Kate Garlands. Okay, like our faces are cut off, but 2 Kate Garlands, and we're gonna drape them over the side.
So you can intertwine them to the end of the runner to kind of make them mesh a bit more, which is what we did. It's okay if it's not perfect at first because you'll add the meadow.
Yeah, another new product from the Kate collection. That's it.
Yeah.
All right.
Super easy. Let's do another tablescape.
All right.
And it'll be a YouTube special.
Okay.
You'll only be able to see it on YouTube.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Surprise tablescape. Maybe. Okay, I grabbed the classic gold candlesticks set of 3 because Kate is just classic.
Yeah. She's that girl.
I grabbed 2 sets, so we'll just
and then
kind of layer them.
I grabbed 6 candles. 2. This is probably this on a mantle too.
Oh yeah.
Are you kidding?
This is gonna be good. A mantle video.
Oh, I only grabbed 5. That is so cute. I promise we're not biased.
No, this is really cute. I don't know why anyone would not want to rent their flowers
and candles
and decor.
Yeah.
But
what are you going to do with that?
Biased. Okay. Here
is 1
floral runner.
With candles. So yeah, as you can see, this is really thick, really lush. This only rents for $150, which is crazy to me because I've seen flower quotes and they are not cheap. But this is one with 6 of our classic candles. Now we're going to show you how to do the garland with the 6 candles and show you the difference.
Okay, so we're just going to take one strand of our Kate Garland, place it down the middle, and then add candles. I liked how in the runner the candles are kind of like hidden.
Yeah, me too.
But these are also pretty. You really see the candlesticks this way. Okay, one garland,
and then
with candles.
We're done.
And there you have it.
Yeah.
We gave you 3 table looks today, and we didn't even mean it.
Nope.
Okay. And there you have it, a overflowing Lush tablescape featuring our new Kate collection.
Yes.
This is such an easy and it's not a simple look. It's an easy and simple look to do, but very impactful look.
Right.
And we hope y'all love it, and we hope to see you recreate it at your wedding soon.
Yes. So if you want to submit your own request, be sure to fill out.
I forgot to say how we usually do these.
Yeah. So be sure to fill out the request form in the description. Include your wedding date, the colors. If you have a collection, include that. Inspo pictures are most important. If you don't have a collection, we will help you decide which one fits best with your theme. And then we look forward to seeing all of your requests. But if you want to see more of these videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.